For the today lectures, we have this subject, the special function, the logarithm function with the base a, log base a of gx. What we have here, the most important note about this type of function, the process of differentiation or integration for this type of function will be by transforming the function log to the natural logarithm through this formula. So log base a of the gx, it will be ln gx, we'll take the ln, divided by ln a. This formula we should memorize it to transfer the log to the natural logarithm. After we transfer it to the natural logarithm, then we do the process of integration according what is required of the question. Okay. Another important note, base 10 is not usually written with the log. So log gx, it will be equal log base 10 of gx. So the number 10 usually is not written. Another note, it is possible to convert the log to an exponent formula through this relationship. So y equal log base a of gx. To transfer it to the exponent formula, it will be gx equal a to the power y. So a to the power y, it will be equal gx. You need to figure a way how to memorize this so you will not forget it. Let's see the example, a practical example. Find the derivative of the following function. We have these two functions. We see how we will find the derivative. As we can see here, it's log, so directly we will transfer to the natural logarithm. So it will be y equal ln, we'll take the function here divided by ln a. Later on, we will find the derivative for the natural logarithm as we did it in the previous lectures. So it will be 1 divided by ln 10. It will be 1 to the gx multiply. We will find the derivative of the function. Same what we did in the previous lecture. We have another question. We have log, so we will transfer it to the natural logarithm. So it will be ln x to the power 2 divided by base 3, so it will be ln 3. Then we will find the derivative, so it will be 1 divided ln 3, then 1 divided ln x2 multiply, this is the gx, multiply the derivative of ln x to the power 2. So we will get this answer. It will be 1 divided by ln 3, 1 ln x2. The derivative of this one, it will be 2x divided by x2. After the simplification, we will have this final answer. Let's see this example. Find the integral of the following function. We have log, so we will transfer it to the natural logarithm. So it will be the integral 1 divided by ln x, we will keep it as it is. And look here, we will transfer it to the natural logarithm. So it will be ln x divided by ln 2. The simplification, it will be easy to find the integral. This is what we have today, and see you next lecture.